guys, it's Maskit. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I have so much to update you on. I'm just a little pinch me moment trying to let it all sink in as I'm looking out here. I'm gonna take my glasses off just because they're causing a weird reflection. If you haven't already figured out from the title, I moved into a new apartment. If you have been following me since around September, you would know that I moved in with my friend Chloe to an apartment in the city, and that was for a 3-month period. As sad as I am to say goodbye to that other apartment, this is a new journey for me personally because I'm gonna be living alone and I'm gonna actually have to gain independence, and I will talk more about that later. If you told 17-year-old Maskit that in a year she'd be living alone, she would not believe you. She would honestly not believe you. This white wall behind me is getting a little bit boring, so let me show you the new apartment that I'll be in for the next 40 days. Amazing, let's turn here. So as soon as you walk in, you have this little room. In this corner, we just have a vanity, a big mirror for all those mirror selfies right before leaving the house, and a beautiful lamp. And I think what adds a lot to this space is the detailing on the walls here. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh, that's really nice. Oh my gosh, it's like textured. And then when you turn here, we've got some stairs. The layout of this apartment is amazing. This place is smaller than my other apartment, but it feels a lot bigger. So here's an overview of the apartment. Crazy. You walk down, we got another mirror here, and then 3 other ones on top of the kitchen. This is the gorgeous view. So here we have the living room. We got a TV, first of all, a fireplace, except it's summer, so we'll see how much I use that. But with Melbourne's weather, you just never know. It was raining the entire day, now it's sunny again. Got a stunning chandelier there. So we got 2 sofas, coffee table, the kitchen is behind here. Got a marble bench, coffee machine, dishwasher, oven, microwave, fridge over there. A lot of storage space, which is great. This place is also furnished, so everything is already here. We got plates, bowls, and a mirror. Hi. There are honestly so many mirrors in this apartment. I think that's why it makes it look a lot bigger. There's also a cookbook here, which is gonna be great because I need to learn how to cook. I still haven't learned how to cook, guys. When I was living in my old apartment, I was literally eating out 3 times a day, most days, and it was just terrible. I need to develop these skills. Got a table here as well. I love having a lot of light, a lot of space. Helicopter. Oh my god, it's so loud. That is so close. Hi. Okay, I'm about to give you a room tour. I love it. It just feels cozy and like a space for myself to relax after a long day. Take it easy, do some mindfulness. It's an ensuite, so the bathroom's actually in the room. Got a sliding door. Oh, it's so big. Welcome to my room. Wow, it feels like a hotel, to be honest. Got a king-size bed with some fresh new white sheets. Bedside tables with lamps and the same black detailing as before. So much storage space, which is what I was lacking in the other apartment. Honestly, we could not fit half of the things we had at the other apartment. When you turn, you have some more storage space and a study area, which is gonna be really great. I love how it's hidden away in the corner, so when I'm studying, I can just focus. Got a full-length mirror over here, but it's not only a mirror, it's a sliding door to the bathroom. Let's open that up. And here we have the bathroom. It's so spacious. The shower. Got cabinets here to store all my skincare and makeup. Perfect. Wow. I haven't even looked at these yet. And then we got the laundry area. And I can just close that here. Okay. There's also a TV here, which is really cool. There's drawers here too, hangers. So from my room, you just walk back into the space. And that is the apartment. Oh my god. It is crazy to be here. I have a lot of exciting projects that I know I'm gonna get done well here. I can't wait to make the most of my stay. Guys, this girl walks around in Melbourne with a bottle on her head, and it's like iconic, everyone knows about it. guys, so I just had some dinner. I went to Grilled Burgers. It was delicious. My parents are here to help me settle into the apartment. But right now, we're just folding some clothes and organizing the big pile that you can see over here. That's all going to be clean soon, all organized into every category. So I can have like singlets in one drawer and then going out tops in another. So I can just quickly grab it when I have something on. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, now it's time to add a few things around. So, plant. Got these for fruits, but I don't know where to put them. I'll put this here for now. I'll deal with it later. Sunset. Bluetooth speaker. Installed the keyboard. It is currently 11:56. It's almost 12 a.m. Oh, my parents have been here helping me settle in for hours. Thanks, Mum and Dad. Love you. Mwah. Now I'm just sitting here on my desk and planning my day tomorrow. This year I have been a little bit off with my habits and I'm really trying to get back on track, and I feel like that is my goal of my stay here, especially because I'm going to be here over New Year's, so I guess I can kind of include that in my New Year's resolutions. But basically I just don't want to be working from bed anymore. I don't want to be on my phone in bed anymore and scroll for ages. I want to put things back in their place as soon as I, use them. That's why I'm here on my desk planning instead of on my bed. I might not be perfect with this, but all we can do is try. Another habit that I want to build on is to read more books. I've recently picked up The Naked CEO. If you've read it, let me know what you think. I'm a few pages in. It's very orange right now because of my salt lamp. So let me turn that off. The lighting is so much better. Today has been so much fun. I honestly feel so blessed to be here. And tomorrow I will also update you guys on my summer plans. I did mention I was going to the Gold Coast and I still am, but a few things have changed with that, so I'll talk to you more about it tomorrow. But yeah, I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Good night. Bye. Nothing beats the feeling of fresh, new white sheets. Oh my god, dude. Okay, I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Good morning. Oh, blue. You know, you open your eyes after a long time. Everything's blue. I feel like that's what the camera's doing. Wow, beautiful day. Oh my god, I'm living for the natural light here. I'm gonna go buy some avocados because I have nothing in the fridge. Very hot, but that's what I asked for. So I wanted to sit down and chat to you guys because I feel like I don't really sit down and talk that much in my videos, but I want to give you a life update because, as I mentioned in my moving out at 18 vlog, which was the vlog where I moved into my previous apartment. Wow, it feels weird to say previous. Oh. I am going to the Gold Coast over the summer. My original plan was to live there. My friend Beth and I were looking through real estate for a 3-month lease, Airbnbs, short-term lease pages. First of all, we got quoted $28,000 for an Airbnb for a month, which was insane because we wanted to go over New Year's, over the summer, school holidays, so of course it's going to be expensive. But the main reason I'm only going to Gold Coast for 1 month now is because I need to be in Melbourne because there are some projects that I'm working on. I want to put my all into them, so it doesn't really make sense for me to go to the Gold Coast and not focus on what I need to do. And I always had it in the back of my mind, I'm like, no, you kind of need to be here, but I kind of brushed it off. That is my plan. I'm still going to Gold Coast, but I'm only going to be there for a month. Then I'm going to come back to Melbourne for uni, and then I have the mid-year break, which I probably will travel in, who knows, we'll see. That's just an update about my summer plans because I have gotten a lot of DMs about that. And can I just say, I love being alone. Chloe and I got along so well. I loved having her as my housemate. You know, we always caught up on everything at the end of the day when we both finished everything we needed to do. We experienced so much together. We were there to support each other, and it was just fun having someone around. That was all great, but I think at this stage of my life right now, I feel like I'm relying a little bit too much on the people around me, and I need to be able to rely on myself a little bit more. That's why this next period of my life is going to be filled with self-development, self-discipline, doing what I need to get done and not delaying anything. I've really been conscious of that this morning, just like actually following the to-do list that I wrote last night, one by one, ticking things off, because that was me in year 12 and I kind of lost that. Getting back into it. And if you are also at the same stage in your life, then I hope this inspires you to give it your all for the end of this year and just start the year with a fresh mindset, a fresh start. I'm gonna finish having my breakfast and then I'll show you guys how we organized clothes and everything to the wardrobes and just all these drawers, all that fun organization stuff. Get excited for the independent living series because I really need to learn how to do a lot of things by myself. Okay, I think it's time for me to now show you how we organized everything in the apartment. We move on to my room. I already showed you my desk area last night, but next to that I have this small little cupboard and it's like my aesthetic area. Bags, perfume, phone cases, photo with my friends. Underneath we have drawers. Look at this. There's a compartment for everything here. Jewelry here, sunglasses, masks, cords and blue tack and all of that here. And in my last drawer I have PJs. So I can just grab that quickly before I go to bed. Then the closet. So here we have just a few jumpers on there and then skirts, shorts, jeans, and a yoga mat, of course. Now, thank you, Mum, so much because, wow, look at this. We got my going out tops and like all the pretty ones. Then everyday shirts, sportwear. I have a few coats, jackets, blazers hanging up here, nice pants, a lot of socks and all of that stuff here. Bikini drawer, I need to fill this up for summer. And dresses. Now let's move on to the bathroom. The lighting here is a bit terrible, but it's fine. I made it so it's easy for me to get ready in the morning because that's another habit that I want to work on. I want to get ready faster because it takes me so long. I just need things to be in the right place. So it's easy for me to get them quickly and just use them and put them away for next time. So I wake up, I come to the bathroom, and I have this, which is morning skincare, facial cleanser, a moisturizer, and then deodorant. After that, if I am wearing makeup that day, I have this cabinet, which is my everyday makeup. Hair products here if I need them, like dry shampoo. Literally everything has its place. B12 that I have to take every morning, but it's literally so easy. I also just got my toothbrush, toothpaste. When I wake up in the morning, I can just go one, brush my teeth, skincare, makeup. Yay! Okay, so if you don't already know, my friend Ali and I, who I actually met through the internet 5 years ago, we launched our own small business and it is called Memento & Co. I have it right here in my hand and let me explain what it is. It is a collage kit that you can use to add a pop of color to your space, and that is exactly what I'm going to be doing today. I'm just going to be adding it to this sliding door right here with blue tack. I love it, it looks so good here. One thing that I wish I would have done is like layering them more, so like making it more messy. So if there are spots like this, it's like, it's normal. If you guys want to make your wall look like this or something similar, then click the link in the description to check out Memento & Co. And I hope you like it. Hopefully we can be twinning. Mwah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to take with me on this journey, and